explain you one more method for numerical integration, which is called Romberg method. What is Romberg method and why we use this one? Because this one gives more accurate result, but quite lengthy in comparison to others. How we do this one? So here we make the table for I first. I means integration value. Suppose they ask you to calculate integral 0 to 1 upon 1 plus x dx. So using trapezoidal rule, first calculate this integral value for different h. So suppose first we have taken h value 0.5, then we have taken h value 0.25, and then we have taken 0.125. So 3, 0.5, 0.25 and 0.125. So when you take h value 0.5, easily you can calculate integral this one using trapezoidal rule. So suppose it will come I1. Then calculate I2. What is I2? I2 means integral this value this one when h value how much? 0.25. Using trapezoidal rule, calculate and denote that integral value by I2. Then for I3, take h value 0.125, again calculate integral value using trapezoidal rule and denote by I3. Once you calculated I1, I2, I3, your next part is to calculate I dash. What is I dash? For these two, it will come I1 dash, which is I2, this value plus 1 by 3, this minus this, means I2 minus I1. Similarly for these two, it will come I2 dash, it's this value plus 1 by 3, I3 minus I2. Similarly, if more values are there, you will proceed. Then we go for I double dash. What is I double dash? For these two, I2 dash plus 1 by 3, I2 dash minus I1 dash. So this is final, last value remaining, so this is final value. So whatever I1 double dash will come, that is your answer. So it's not a tough process, it's easy process, just lengthy because you have to calculate I1, I2, I3 for this integral using trapezoidal rule for different h. Either they will give h or you can choose h value 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8. So easily you can calculate. Suppose for this I will do. So I1. What is I1? How we calculate for h value 0.5. We have to, you know very well, we have to construct first x table, then y table. So what is x? Starting from 0, then 0.5 and then 1. So corresponding y value, what is y? 1 upon 1 plus x. So when x is 0, what is y value? 1. When x 0.5, 1 upon 1.5, which is equal to 1 upon 1.5, 2 by 2. When 1, value is 1 by 2. So what is integral value? I1. I1 is h by 2. What is h? 0.5 by 2. First value plus last value plus 2 times middle value. What is middle value? 2 by 3. So 0.5 means 1 by 4 1 plus 1 by 2 means 3 by 2 is 4 by 3. So final value is 1 by 4. by 24. What is the value? 17 divided by 24. Point. Of 7 times 8 times. It is 0.7083. Similarly, you can calculate for h value when 0.25. When h value 0.25, how we calculate? So 0.25 means 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, and 1. Corresponding y value in 0, 1 value, in 0.25, 1 upon 1.25, so now again use trapezoidal rule. I2. What is I2? H. And what is H? 0.25 divided by 2. First value 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 2 times 1 upon 1.25 plus 1 upon 1.50 plus 1 upon 1.75. So calculate I2 value and then similarly calculate I3 value. Simplify it. What is I2 value? It will come 0.6970. Correct? Please check it. Now calculate I3 value. For I3, what we have to do? We have to take H value how much? 0.125. Again make the table and calculate. What is I3? Please do it. It's very simple. Do by yourself. It will come 0.6941. So once you calculated I1, I2, I3, make the table. What is first I value we calculated? 0.0783. What is second? We calculated 0.6940. What is third? 6941. Check it correctly. It is I think 70. Now you have I value, so calculate I1 dash. For this, what is the value? 0.6970 plus 1 by 3. 0.6970 minus 0.7083. Sorry, camera automatically off, so please take care of this one. So this I value we calculated. Okay. Now how we calculate I dash? Just this value plus 1 by 3 of this minus this. For these two, what is I2 dash? This value plus 1 by 3, this minus this, we get this value. Once you get this two, go for I double dash, which is this value plus 1 by 3, this minus this. So what value we got? 0.6931. That is the final answer. So it's very easy. Again, I will explain the methodology. Just you have to use trapezoidal rule to calculate this integral value for different h. Take h value 0.5, 0.125, 0.5, 0.5, 0.25 and 0.125 and calculate integral value. Once you know integral value, denote I1, I2, I3. I1 for when h value 0.5, I2 when h value 0.25 and this value when h value 0.125. Once you calculate it, make that table, you will get the last value is the answer. So it's very easy process, just quite lengthy because you have to do 3 steps for trapezoidal rule. Suppose someone asks you about use Simpson 1 by 3rd. So no matter, you can use Simpson 1 by 3rd also. How? Same, take h value this and calculate this integral value using Simpson 1 by 3rd rule. Once you calculate the value, make the table. In the last, you will get the answer. Thank you.